everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a video background in VN Video Editor using Chroma Key tool. This method works perfectly and it's super easy even if you are a beginner. So let's get into it. First, just open your VN Video Editor app on your phone. Just create a new project and then just import the background that you want to use. This could be an image or a video or any clip where you want your subject to appear. And once you have selected, just bring it into your timeline like this. And then next, it's time to add a video that you want to remove the background from. Just tap on overlay or PIP over here. And then just select your video that you want to remove the background. Ideally one that has a solid dominant color background like a green screen or blue screen. This will make the removal clean and smooth. And then next, just resize it or reposition it wherever you want on the screen. For example, like this. And with your overlay selected, your overlay still selected, just scroll to the tools menu and then tap on Chroma Key, this one, or Chroma. Just tap on it. And then you will see a color picker with plus icon or plus symbols like this. Just drag it onto the background color that you want to remove like this. The moment you do this, VN will automatically remove that color from your video like this. And once you have selected the color, adjust the intensity to remove background actions more smooth like this. But be careful, too much intensity can make parts of your subject will disappear. So just adjust it slightly. For example, like this. Just make it until it looks clean and natural. And after that, just tap on checklist. And like this, the backgrounds of your video has removed like this. Has gone like this. After the background is removed, you can edit it more further, like maybe apply any effect or filters that you want, or maybe add any text, music, or anything. Just feel free to edit your video more creative. And okay, that's it. That's how you can remove a video background in VN Video Editor using Chroma Key. If this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.